All right, in this video, we are going to cover mole fractions. Just a quick little thing about fractions. Remember, a fraction is part over whole. So it's always the part of something divided by the whole. So let's say I had a piece of pie and I ate a quarter of it. Okay, that quarter would be one part out of the whole. So I ate 1/4 of it. What's remaining would be 3/4. Okay, part divided by whole. So we're going to do that with moles. We'll go through this question. If I have a solution and it's found to have 5 moles of water, H2O, 10 moles of carbon dioxide, CO2, and 15 moles of HCl, hydrochloric acid, what is the mole fraction of CO2 in this solution? Okay, so first I'm going to find the whole. I have 5 moles of H2O. I've got 10 moles of CO2. I've got 15 moles of HCl. So when I add all of that up, I have a total of 30 moles. That is my bottom part. That's my whole. And what's the mole fraction for CO2? Well, I have 10 moles of CO2. So all I got to do is take that 10 divided by 30. Okay, that would be 0.33 repeating. Okay, I can leave my answer as a decimal. This is a fraction to an extent. Okay, let's say it's a multiple choice question. You're not seeing any 0.33s. Well, most likely that means they took it and turned it into a percent. Okay, in order to do that, you just multiply by 100, or you move the decimal spot 2 spots to the right. So this mole fraction would be 33% if it's in a percent answer, or 0.33 if it's in a decimal answer. Okay, we'll do one more practice problem. This time, though, I'm not given moles. I still need the mole fraction. I want the mole fraction of NaCl, but this time I have grams. So this is a two-step question. The first step is get these grams to moles, which we learned in how to convert in mole conversion. So if you are still struggling with that, go to the mole conversion question. But we'll do it right here. Let's say I have 90 grams of H2O. Okay, to convert that, I know every 18 grams of H2O makes 1 mole. Okay, that's just finding the molar mass of water. I then will divide the 90 grams by 18, and that gives me 5 moles of water. Okay, I'm going to do the same thing with my NaCl. I have 58 grams of NaCl. Okay, I got that from the question right here. I also know that the molar mass of NaCl is 58 grams for every 1 mole. Okay, I got that from the periodic table. Sometimes they're going to give it to you in the question. On this particular one, it didn't, so I'd have to get it from the periodic table. Well, that's nice and easy. That comes out to 1 mole of NaCl. Okay, that was just the first step, right? This is not the answers to the question. I want to know the mole fraction of NaCl in solution. So first I need to figure out my total amount of moles. I just add those up. So I have a total of 6 moles of solution, and the mole fraction for it would be taking what I need. In this case, it is the moles of NaCl, so that would be 1 mole of NaCl. So that would be 1 divided by 6.166 is my answer. That is the mole fraction. If I needed that as a percentage, it would be 16.6%.